Um, this is a demonstration of a photoresistor, how it can be used to send an alarm or do any appropriate action. So this guy here is the photoresistor, and based on the intensity of light, like if you place your finger closer enough to create darkness around it, it detects this change and sets up an alarm, which is right here, or it can cause a light to turn up. So basically the kind of thing which you can use in balconies or inside your closets, where you just accidentally watch in, is what you'd see here, and it can trigger a light or a buzzer.